There are adversities at every moment in life. Faced with adversity, some become quitters, and some become campers. However, someone who gets stronger by facing adversity becomes a climber. The climber gets stronger as he faces adversity. This is the message he shouts from the top. Hung-Shin Yun-Dum! When Atomy faces adversities, we will climb even higher! I'm hungry. I knew this, so I brought Atomy Cup Ramen. Atomy Potato Cup Ramen. Oh, I brought hot water too. Atomy Thermal Tumbler. Of course the water has not cooled down.
맛봐라! 정상에서 맛보는 정상의 맛! 언제 어디서든 간편하게!